Okay, so Tesla stock continues its rally today, clearly bullish, about to hit its next resistance level. So far, it seems that Tesla is simply unstoppable, as there is not a single top signal or bearish reversal pattern in it. Technically speaking, of course. Now, two questions. What if Tesla corrects? Because it could correct from here, right? Even though there is no top signal yet. Second, how far can this bullish trend take us? In my view, Tesla is on the verge of triggering a big, long-term reversal, and I will explain why in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our Tesla analysis over here, looking at the daily chart. Let's start with the midterm. On the daily chart, we see that Tesla is clearly bullish. Why is it clearly bullish, Nathan? Because it is doing higher highs, higher lows, right? And let me change the color of this arrow to red, right? So we are clearly doing higher highs, higher lows. The next technical target is the next resistance level at 191. That's the next technical target on Tesla stock, midterm speaking, on the daily chart. And this is what Tesla is doing, right? We are hitting resistances, retesting them as support levels, breaking the previous top levels. This is it. This is Tesla's pattern right now on the daily chart. What if Tesla corrects from here, right? Because we could say correction, right? Looking at the indices over here, the indices are still struggling a lot. Yes, the S&P is going up, the Nasdaq is going up. However, it feels like we are stabilizing in this area, especially the S&P, which is struggling just around a resistance level over here. So if the broad market corrects, this could drag Tesla down along with it, right? I agree with you. I do believe that if the broad market corrects, Tesla is going to correct with it. However, this is not going to be the end of the world. Tesla is, in fact, to be honest, Tesla looks extremely resilient. I mean, today, the S&P is going 0.28% up, Nasdaq 0.40%, Tesla 4%. So Tesla looks just incredible right now. It feels like it is detached from the broad market. However, usually movements like this, they are short-lived, and sooner or later we are going to see a correction. However, if Tesla corrects, this is not going to be that horrible because the trend is already bullish. If we see correction, any correction to the 177 over here, the previous top level and the previous top level over here, right? And the previous support level over here, this key point is going to work as a future support level again on Tesla. In theory, it is supposed to work as a future support level if we see a correction. I think I can't stress enough, right? If we see a top signal triggered, if we see a pullback, 177 is going to be our next support level, and this is it. Any correction to this price level might be just an opportunity to buy. Why would be an opportunity to buy, Nathan? Because the trend is already bullish. We are doing higher highs, higher lows. You are going to buy near a support level with a good risk-reward ratio following the main midterm trend. Even if a trade like this goes wrong, since the risk-reward ratio is going to be very good, it is worth to buy at such support level because the upside potential is still quite good. We have yet to retest 191, and I do believe we are going to hit 191 midterm speaking. However, if this goes wrong, you are going to lose a little money compared to the potential upside. So this makes sense. It makes sense buying in a support level while following the main trend, okay? This is how technical analysis works. Now, okay, Nathan, I do understand that if we see a pullback, this is not going to be that horrible, right? Maybe it is going to be an opportunity to buy, to add positions, etc. But what it takes for Tesla to actually reverse this bullish sentiment? Well, it is very important to see not only Tesla losing the 177, but breaking this pattern over here of higher highs, higher lows, doing a lower high, lower low. If Tesla does this, then okay, the trend reversed midterm speaking, and maybe we are not going to see the big long-term reversal pattern that I see on the weekly chart, and we are going to talk about that right now. But first, follow me on Instagram to keep in touch with my daily life here in Brazil, and of course I'm posting very interesting and valuable educational content on my Instagram account, so follow me over there. I think you guys are going to like what I'm sharing with you guys right there. Okay, so let's take a look at Tesla's weekly chart. Weekly chart, no, let's look at other weekly chart over here. This one is clean, right? We see a clean weekly chart over here. Tesla is trapped inside a descending channel on the weekly chart. Since February this year, we see a series of slightly lower highs, lower lows, right? This is at the same time, this descending channel is at the same time a possible flag chart pattern over here. We see the pole and we see the flag. The next technical resistance level on Tesla stock is $313. Roughly where NVIDIA stock is right now, 313, okay? What a coincidence, right? 313 is the next technical resistance level on NVIDIA. By breaking free from this congestion, by breaking this flag pattern upwards, I see I see Tesla easily retesting the 313 again, the next resistance level. Meaning after the breakout over here, we have roughly 60% upside potential, right? After the breakout wasn't materialized yet. Maybe we could see a mid-term correction, a short-term pullback over here on the daily or even on the 1 hour chart before the breakout of this flag chart pattern over here. But still, if we see the breakout of this flag, I do believe that Tesla stock is going to trigger a phenomenal bullish reversal structure. What's more, to make things even better, what's the technical target of a flag chart pattern? It is the size of the pole projected in the direction of the breakout. And this is where the video gets interesting, okay? So far, everything that I just said was quite boring, was particularly boring, but right now the situation gets very interesting. Therefore, if you are still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, consider subscribing to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla stock and on other stocks as well. Now, this is very interesting because the technical target of this flag chart, this flag chart pattern right here, this one, the technical target of this flag chart pattern is this pole. Let's copy this pole over here and project the size of the pole in the direction of the breakout. If we do that, we see that Tesla's next technical target of this flag chart pattern is, what a coincidence, is precisely the all-time high area. What a coincidence, right? So Tesla has everything, absolutely everything to fly again, to retest its all-time high or even possibly to break it. If we actually trigger this flag chart pattern, yes, we see a technical resistance at 313, but the technical target of this pattern is above $400. So Tesla has plenty of upside potential. Of course, it is not me. This is not me who's saying that the target of a flag chart pattern is the size of the pole in the direction of the breakout. Just take a look at Thomas Bukowski's website, thepatternsight.com. Buy his books and you'll see that this is a flag's technical target. All right, so this is it. This is how I see Tesla right now. We see an enormous, gigantic upside potential. We just gotta do the right patterns. Of course, what I just described to you guys is a long-term perspective. It is not gonna be easy. We're gonna see a lot of pullbacks before that. We're gonna see a lot of corrections. And of course, in order to take advantage of every single one of these moves, you may just take a look at my website. The link is in the description of this video. Join the top 5% who can beat the market, who can beat Tesla's performance and much more. Come on, trade with our community. The link is in the description of this video. And remember, subscribe to this channel, click on the like button to support me, to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.